Hello pilots of the internet, welcome to Foldable Flight. In this video I'm just showing off a plane that I'll be posting a tutorial for this weekend. And the plane's called Emperion One. It's a really simple glider with a cool locking mechanism on the bottom. As always, I try to lock the layers together on my planes because that gives it a really sleek profile as it's flying through the air. It doesn't come unfolded, and it increases its glide ratio dramatically over a plane that might come unfolded. And you can see it looks pretty simple, but if you support me on Patreon, you can get this printable template that adds a ton to its appearance, especially because the plane looked so simple before. I really think the template adds a lot to this one, and I have to thank my cousin Robbie, who did an awesome job helping me in the process to design this plane. As I mentioned before, Emperion One is a pure glider. You can see here that it flies at a slow speed, but has a great glide ratio that helps it to fly a decent distance. And the graphic above shows the best angles for throwing Emperion One. If you throw it slightly downward, it can still recover and have a nice glide before hitting the ground. If you throw it too low, however, it will crash before recovering. If you throw it high, it will climb up and stall before coming back down and crashing. You can see the blue area here is the ideal zone for launch. If you throw it any higher, it will completely stall and crash before it can recover. And you can see that middle zone is the best angle for releasing Emperion One. It will climb out of the launch, reach a peak, and begin descending before leveling off again for a nice long glide. And it has a range of about 80 feet. Let's see it in flight. So once again, I will be posting the tutorial for this plane on Saturday, so keep an eye out for that. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome paper airplane content by clicking on my channel icon in the top right corner. Or check out another one of my videos here. And if you really like what I do, head over to foldableflight.com or patreon.com/foldableflight. And as always, thank you for watching.